Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am doing some filming for the weekend as I do every week. My schedule got kind of thrown off. I typically film on Saturdays and edit on Sundays, but I got busy putting together furniture and here I am Sunday night. Apologies for the dark background, but I have in my hands the IPSY Advent Calendar. And yes, I am gonna open it all. So if you don't want anything spoiled, exit out of this video. And if you wanna see what's inside and if it's worth the money, please keep watching. So it is this super cute little city storefront type box. And when you open it up, got a little insert. It is, it's so big. The 25 Days of Christmas. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I ordered this immediately as soon as I saw it come out. A little early Christmas present to myself. And I'm gonna go ahead and open all of it right now for you guys and for myself. So let's get started. Do I start on 1 or do I start on 25? I feel like I start on 25. Okay, here is the little insert. It has a little sneak peek of the products and I'm just gonna go for it. I've been waiting to open this thing for like 2 weeks, so I'm very, very excited. I don't know if I start with 25 or 1. I would normally start on 25 because it's 25 days till Christmas when you like are supposed to do the Advent calendar, so you like count down. But I feel like I should start on 1 with this. Here we go, box number 1. It is the LMS Pro Collagen Green Fig Cleanser. Super cute. Box number 2. Since there's 25 boxes, I'm just going to do it like rapid fire. This is the Olaplex Bond Smooth Leave-In Treatment. Number 3. Okay. I think I'm doing this right because I feel like the last one's going to be bigger. This is the Ofra Makeup Fixer. Oh, it's really sticky on the outside. Maybe it leaked a little bit, but Ofra Makeup Fixer, cute little setting spray. Box number 4. This is the Origins Youthtopia Apple Peel. This is the Nia Pout Toy Factory Niacinamide Watermelon Whip Lip Serum Mask. I'm super happy about this because I'm out of my lip mask and the last one I got in an IPSY box was not good. So high hopes for this one. 6. Cute. They're so cute. They look like little books or something. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Shampoo. Super cute little travel. I love these little mini shampoos for traveling because I don't like to bring the travel bottles that you fill up. I don't know, those always leak. This is the way to go. 7. We're on 7. Tatcha Cleansing Oil, a little travel cleansing oil. Super cute. You really don't see these too often, like a little mini makeup remover, so I like that a lot. 8, okay, 8. If you like this makeup look, I did just film it. It is my Sugar and Spice and Everything Nice. You can check it out right here. 8 is the Living Proof Perfect 8 Conditioner. That's cute, so you get a little travel set. I guess IPSY has the holidays in mind. Number 9, one of my favorite numbers. This is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Gel. I need this. I need that. 10, we're moving into the bigger boxes. Ooh. What do we think this one is? This is cute. This is the bronzing drops. I have received the blush drops, so I'm excited to try this little one too. 11. Ooh. We are moving through these. I just didn't want this video to be like 20 hours long. The Maison Louis Marie number 9 Valley de Farny. Oh, it's a little perfume. Cute. Super cute. Oh, that's nice. This smell reminds me of like springtime in the valley. 12. This is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. 13. This is the Blush Filler Liquid Blush by Huda. I don't think I have a liquid brush from Huda, so I'm excited to try this. Bubblegum. Accurately named. This is like the exact bubblegum color. She's stuck. 14. This is a beauty sponge. That one's funky looking, huh? And then another funky little shape. Interesting. I don't have any sponges shaped like this. So that is Very interesting. Ooh, she's getting heavy. Ooh, the Bisha Bahamas colorway. I absolutely love this blush. So I have another one. I might add this to the giveaway. Stay tuned. I'm just trying to collect enough products to do the giveaway and enough followers. You know, I am new to posting on TikTok and YouTube, so when I do the giveaway, it'll be soon, probably before Christmas, so stay tuned for that. And this will be in there. This is a phenomenal product. Love this. Okay, 15, 16. They're getting heavier. Tea Time Peony Glow Oil. Okay, cute. I don't think I have this, the glow oil. I think I have like a face wash from Tea Time. Very pretty packaging. 17. What are you? What are you? This is the Ultra Repair Body Lotion. A little hand lotion. It seems like they're giving like one of everything in this advent calendar. So you get a little bit of this, a little bit of that. 18. Stay on track, Julie. Stay on track. Lip Injection, Too Faced, Longwear Lip Plumper, and Pink Punch. I do like a lip plumper, so this is exciting. Ooh, I love that color. That looks delicious. I want to eat it. It looks so good. 19. 19. The Murad Retinol Renew Serum. I love using retinol. I use it on my chest because I do live in Florida. I've had a lot of sun. I actually use retinol on the backs of my hands and my kneecaps. I know that's odd, but I am late in my 30s and we want my skin looking younger every day. So can't get enough retinol. 20. Woo! The Ahava Essential Daily Moisturizer. Cute. 21. Okay, 21. Perfect Strokes Longwear Gel Eyeliner, Rare Beauty. Okay, a little black eyeliner from Rare Beauty. 22. Oh, that's very light. Feels like air. Brushes, cute. Smith Glam, I don't know. I can't, it's too tiny to read, but they're super cute little synthetic brushes with these little crystals on them. Love that. I really do. I love getting little brushes. So add them to the collection. D3, we're almost there. Almost at the end, you guys. The Maracuja Lip Vinyl from Tarte. I know I'm gonna love this product. I have like a dupe one from Amazon that I absolutely love. And this is in Shimmering Daisy. 24, almost there. This is the Tower 28 Make Waves. A mascara, Tower 28. I've heard about this brand, I have not tried it. So I am looking forward to trying that. And then last but not least, day 25. Are you ready? I'm ready. We have a cute little bag. Okay, interesting. What comes next? There's a few things in here. There is the, honestly, I cannot read that. I have no clue what that says. Sorry, you guys. If you know the name of this brand, please leave it in the comment. I have absolutely no clue what that says. This is, it looks like a highlighter. Okay, interesting, a highlight stick. Morphe lip pencil in Bite Me. Cute. Can't get enough brown lip pencils, so I love that. And then finally, it is this very interesting, suspicious package. We have the Always On Mood Board Eyeshadow Palette from Smashbox. Whoa, super orange. I actually am going to film a pumpkin spice latte look. I know a lot of people are doing them, but whatever, it's the season. I'm gonna use this palette now because, look at it. Just take it all in. This is the perfect pumpkin spice palette, so stay tuned for that. And that is what was in my IPSY Advent Calendar. Do I think it was worth the money? I do. I have all the IPSY subscriptions, the IPSY Glam Bag, the BoxyCharm, and the Icon Box, and I do pay for the upgrade every month. So a lot of these products I did already receive throughout the year. It's fun to open. 100% it's fun to open. If you don't have a large makeup collection, 100% worth it. Start on day 1. I know most advent calendars you start on day 25. This one, it seems like 25 was like the big end because it had multiples in there. Unless I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great night. I'm gonna give this box to my daughter to use for her Barbies for a little bit. I feel like she'll make bedrooms out of all of that. Anyways, Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all the support I've had recently. My channel has grown a little bit, not as much as I saw in the very beginning, but I'm going to keep at it. I'm going to keep posting. I'm going to keep making videos. I hope you are enjoying this. I'm very much enjoying it. And thank you for watching.